Lazerbladez. They are high strength quality steel manufactured. They're mounted onto the spindle via mounting bolts. The mounting hole within the blade is off-centre. Now the mounting hole in the blade is off-centre because when the spindle is up and spinning, the blades won't have a natural lead on them. Difficult to explain this, but the best way I can do that is by saying that it will actually lead into the grass when cutting, exaggerated like this as the spindle goes around, rather than following and sweeping over the grass as in most normal mows. This allows a finer cut, cleaner cut, and less horsepower usage required by the tractor to drive all the spindles mounted on the mow. The single bolt locates into the spindle mounting via a recessed socket. You will only need one spanner to undo the nut. This makes it a very simple, easy operation.